Hey folks, welcome to this video. I am going to show you how you could actually start working from home as soon as today. And I'm going to show you proof that you could do it. Alright? And this is a home opportunity. It's called Email Processing System. And you can make $25 over and over and over again. All you got to do is post ads, answer the emails that come in, and you make money. Alright? It's that simple. It really is. And I'll show you exactly how to do it here and get signed up and everything like that. So in this video, so like I said, it's email processing. See my mouse here? Just post ads, answer emails, and make money right to your PayPal or your Payza account if you have one of those as well. You could do it. You know, this is the website. And you'll get one just like it for free, and you'll make money. Alright, you pay $25 to start out, and that's all you're going to pay. Okay, and here's a calculator on how much money you might be able to make. Let's say I do 5, and you can see it changes. Alright, that's if I do 5 a day, I make 125 per day, 3,500. Now if I do 10, which I'm at most of the time, let me calculate it. Alright, 250 bucks a day, $7,000 a month, 7,500. You know, all right, give or take. You know, but it's super easy. Just follow the directions that's in the members area. You Backpage, Facebook, Twitter. You know, you'll make it. I post every place is free for me, and I make it. And you'll see here in a second. It's super easy. All right, let's. I would start today if you can. Alright, I'm going to show you my back office where I make the money. Alright, these are all my sales. Today is the 12th. It's 4:17 in the afternoon here on the 12th of January 2017. See, email processing. These are all the payments. $25. Alright, see, kind of keep going. Keep going. Here, let me slow that down for you a little bit. Alright. See all those 12s? 11, 10, 9, 9. Alright. More 9. 8, January 8th, January 7th. I had only one sale on January 7th. That's it. It's pretty funny. January 5th, a lot. January 4th, January 3rd. Got more still going. 3rd, 2nd, and just to the new year. Alright, so once again, it is called people-industry.com. It'll be in the description down below. People-industry.com, and go sign up, start making money. Super easy. Like I said, if you need anything, you'll be able to find it there. It'll walk you through it. Just follow the directions. It's simple, easy work from home opportunity that you could get going today. Alright, email processing system, get started. Have a good day.